Hi, this is Manjusha Radhakrishnan, entertainment editor for Gulf News Dubai. I'm here with the man of the moment, Kartik Aaryan, who's on a box office roll. Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 is a massive blockbuster success. He just told me that it's made more than 140 crores just in India alone.
Oh, it's done 150, more than 150.
There you go.
Yeah.
So brilliant. I have to ask you with a very basic question. Do you feel like a star? He made us wait for 2 hours and more. Do you feel like Shah Rukh Khan today?
Not at all. यहाँ आते आते दुबई में इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक बढ़ चुका है और एक रास्ता क्या हुआ है, मतलब जो हमारे ड्राइवर भी थे वो भी नए थे, तो उन्होंने एक रास्ता गलत ले लिया, फिर दूसरा भी गलत ले लिया, and we just went round.
So you saw a bit of Dubai today.
I saw Dubai entirely actually.
No worries, but people are waiting for you.
एक एंड से दूसरे एंड तक गया हूँ आज. So it's just been a crazy ride for me, but it's been wonderful over here. And again, I'm after Chandu Champion, I'm coming here again with Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3, and it's been doing wonderfully well over here. So the entire team wanted us to promote the film over here all the more, and I'm glad I'm here. And
Dubai is a lucky place for you. I remember talking to you last time, and you said the city has a vibe about it,
yes.
And it works for you.
It does. Dubai is a place which I really love, and I enjoy coming here. And in fact, during Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2 also, when it got released, during the promotions of Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2 also, I had come here, and Chandu Champion, and now Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 again. So I've been here with all my films, without my films also, and it's a wonderful place to be in. And it's a lovely place where people are just warm, and they're just it's very. It feels nice to be here.
No, and what I loved about the movie is that surprising twist at the end.
Yes.
I don't want to give anything away.
Yeah.
People should still go watch it. But what I thought was very bold of you to take on a very layered and complex role, because it's a horror comedy, right?
Yeah.
Did you have reservations at all, Kartik?
No, not at all. I think it was a complex character, as it wasn't the usual character that you might see in a horror comedy universe. So Roobaba's character, I think it was there, but I mean, I can't elaborate more on it. But all I can say is that it was a complex role. But for me, it was again something which was really different, unique, and in my home ground. But it was still very different from the usual comedy films that I usually do.
No, it's physical comedy, I thought.
Exactly.
I thought you did a lot of physical comedy, especially the scene where you switch from a woman to a man, that kind of fun bits, right?
Correct. There are moments, which was also in the trailer.
Yeah, there was. So, was that tough though? Because we know
I don't know,
it's
the way writing is. I think it does help when the writing is such, and even with Anis sir, the way he directs. So I think जिस तरीके से उन्होंने भी वो scenes को मेरे साथ मिलकर, it's always a team effort. So it really helped me out to bring out that energy when we were doing those comedy scenes where one of those scenes जब आत्मा घुस जाती है इसके अंदर रूबाबा के, and मतलब he acts basically.
Of course.
वैसा होता नहीं है.
Right.
But it just came out over there, and we just went with the flow. We just didn't plan anything. There was no rehearsals. There were no. We were not planning it. We just went for the natural way, and all of us just liked it the way it was shot, and it worked out brilliantly. I could see. I went to theaters and I saw the reactions, and there were massive laughters during that scene. So I'm glad that people.
It could have easily not worked, right?
There's a thin line. I think there's a very thin line when you do such comedies, when you can go overboard or you can be very subtle about it and it might not land. So I think for these jokes to land, you need to have you need to be on that thin line and just take a smaller step and towards your goal. And I think I have a knack of doing comedy scenes. I love doing entertaining scenes, and मुझे मज़ा आ रहा था. मुझे बस वो परफॉर्म करने में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था, and I could see the reactions जब मैं सेट पे भी परफॉर्म कर रहा था. So you get to know that how
you feel the pulse.
Yeah, you feel the pulse, you feel the reactions, and that translated on screen also.
No, you're up against Madhuri Dixit and our Vidya Balan. Two iconic powerhouse talents. I mean, if they are in the scene now, I don't watch many people. It's so difficult to grab attention. Did you at any point think, oh my God, I'm up against like powerhouse, Hollywood
No,
and Bollywood
actually,
heavyweights?
instead of being against, I was actually really happy. I was excited to be a part of a film where I was really in one frame with Madhuri Dixit and a Vidya Balan. So for me, it was a dream come true. For me, it was just like मतलब बचपन से देख रहा हूँ माधुरी दीक्षित जी को तो बचपन से ही देख रहा हूँ जब से वो इतने बड़े बड़े गाने कर रही हैं या फिल्में कर रही हैं और सो आई वाज जस्ट एक्साइटेड एंड विद विद्या आल्सो आई वाज जस्ट टू हैप्पी दैट शी इज़ अ पावर हाउस when it comes to acting talent and she's just too good. जब भी हम लोग साथ में scenes करते थे इतने improvisations होते थे इतनी सारी चीज़ें और and it felt like मैं कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ इनके साथ मुझे ऐसा लगता
Did they feel like your seniors? Who knew more?
बिल्कुल नहीं जूनियर लगते थे
They used to rag you?
हाँ,
Did you rag them?
कुछ नहीं मैं कभी वो टांग खींचते थे कभी मैं ऐसे ही चलता रहता था
Right.
so it was just too much fun on the sets of Bhool Bhulaiya with them really.
You need to tell me about the dancing sequences as well. I thought was quite interesting, and that I did not see it coming. Was that like a tough one to pull off?
See, if we talk about the title track, I think the sequence where I'm dancing on the staircase is something which was never rehearsed. It was done on the location, on the sets only.
It was impromptu?
It was impromptu and because all of us decided that we wanted to do something new and unique.
Okay.
And there was a staircase over there. And and वो गलती से वहाँ पे था वो set का part था. And it was never designed to, for me to dance over there.
Right.
But it just happened, the spooky slide, it just happened that we all decided that यहाँ पे एक step करते हैं and something which in a way is like a gliding step and I rehearsed there for like 30 minutes or so and then we did the shot and that's how the spooky slide came and of course and talking about even Madhuri ma'am's and Vidya's song Amija Tumar, the way they performed on the song, I was again watching it every day live. I was there. I was when I was not shooting also I used to go there
turned up on the set
just to see them do the dance sequence.
Right, of course. This movie has also given like a shot in the arm for Bollywood because I write stories, right, about how Bollywood is not doing as well as it should throughout the year. I've been covering stories like that. Do you think in some ways this is a revival that we all needed?
I'm glad that you're saying that for our film also. I'm happy in a way, but also sad that there's this story about Bollywood or Hindi films that is going around where the films are not working as such. I think I just hope that more and more movies come and people go to the theaters and watch them and they enjoy them. With Bhool Bhulaiya 3, of course I can say that the audiences, they have really liked it, the way they have reacted to it, the way the numbers are pouring in, the way they are going with groups, they are going with families, they are going with friends. So I think that is something which is certainly lacking right now. A lot of people are not going, they're not opting for theaters. कई बार ऐसा
but there
देख
are
रहे,
options now. OTTs
but because there are options, because they're seeing stuff on OTT, they're seeing stuff on TV, so options इतने ज़्यादा बढ़ गए तो वो उनको थिएटर लाना उतना ही मुश्किल हो जाता है. I mean भूल भुलैया 3 में वो क्रैक हुआ है, वो अच्छा हुआ है and I hope more and more films come. And I hope मैं भी उन पिक्चरों को पार्ट रहा हूँ जिनमें थिएटर्स में लोग ऑडियंस आए और वो देखें.
No, what a phenomenal year you have had. I spoke to you for Chandu Champion, which was all about the critic friendly. You transformed yourself. Bhool Bhulaiya is as massy as it gets. What a fantastic balance to strike. Do you think this was all planned? Did you want your career 2024 to be all about where Kartik Aaryan peaks as an actor?
I didn't plan it that way कि इसी साल में ये दोनों चीजें आएंगी या ऐसा होगा. You can never plan your releases because sometimes कुछ ना कुछ डिले आ जाता है किसी चीज में, कुछ अनवांटेड चीजें हो जाती हैं. बट हैविंग सेड दैट आई हैड प्लान्ड द फैक्ट दैट चंदू चैंपियन पहले आए, देन भूल भुलैया 3 आए, then of course 4 जब होगी तब आए.
I think he gave something away. Is 4 happening? Tell me, I would watch it. I'll stand in line for the tickets.
I would also watch it.
Yeah. You gave it away. It's okay.
I don't know if I can say that, but all I can say is कि हाँ ये एक as an actor when you get You know, you get a film like Chandu Champion, or you get a film like Bhool Bhulaiya 3. It's something which मेरे लिए मतलब दोनों ही एक फिल्म है जिसमें इतना प्यार मिल रहा है क्रिटिकली, एक फिल्म है जिसमें इतना मासेस का बॉक्स ऑफिस का प्यार मिल रहा है. एवरीथिंग इट्स जस्ट कंटेंट मीट्स कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट. आई एम मुझे लगता है मैं बहुत 2024 is actually the year where I feel, yeah, I mean, I'll remember this year, and it's been a historic year for me also.
No, I think it is
personally.
historic. What makes it even better is that you're not a nepo baby, and I love that for you. I'm so happy to hear that. No, it's always great to, you kind of like paved your own way. You marched to your own tunes. When you look back, do you look back and say, you know what? I have my Ferrari. I've made it truly. And have you bought more cars?
I have my McLaren.
No way. Dubai, watch out. Dubai has fancy souped up cars, but you have more. So you bought your McLaren with the success that you found?
No. I got it during Bhool Bhulaiya 2. It was gifted to me actually at that time.
Yeah, we don't have
But,
such friends. But no, I'm kidding. What are you getting? What are you getting this time?
इस बार मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे एक्चुअली नहीं पता. अभी भी फिल्म थिएटर्स में, अभी तो 6 दिन नहीं हुए फिल्म आए. It's doing wonders over there, and I hope I don't know. I mean,
What's your
I'm
dream
just
car?
happy
Come
with-
on, just put the word out there. We'll manifest it for you.
Oh, I've already gotten my dream car.
Which one is that?
Lamborghini.
Oh, I like it how he just says it like, it's just a thing. But it's so great. Are you very happy about the success you have got on your own terms?
I'm really proud of it. I'm really happy about it, and I'm someone who's not content. I'm not content. I'm not a guy who will ever be content, because मैं takes भी दे रहा होता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है अरे यार ये ओके टेक है, लेकिन फिर से इसमें कुछ और भी कर सकता हूँ. अभी भी फिल्म देखता हूँ तो उसमें भी कई बार ऐसा लगता है अरे यार ये वाला सीन अगर वैसे किया होता तो क्या होता. तो इवन इफ समबडी सेइंग नहीं दैट लाफिंग एट इट, आई वुड से कि नहीं मैं थोड़ा और लाफ्टर ले आता. तो वो मेरे साथ चलता रहता है, वो पूरे टाइम चलता है. एंड आई थिंक सो इवन दैट सक्सेस इज रिलेटिव. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे और आगे जाना है अभी, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी है. आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी वेयर आई एम, एंड आई होप दैट आई गेट मोर एंड मोर ऑप्शंस एंड चॉइसेस to select from, and I just want to be excited about my job.
Which you are. And we can see that on the big screen. Thank you for entertaining us this Diwali. I think his life has got more fireworks and spectacular run than all of us. Happy Diwali to you. And I'm sure
Happy
people
Diwali.
in the UAE would also keep buying tickets for this one.
Thank you so much.